I'm Naan. I am a software engineer from Ethiopia, and I did the software engineering program. My personal dream and mission in the future is to see an Ethiopia, which is the tech hub, the tech capital of Africa and possibly the world. ALX has helped me gain world-class technical skills, and apart from that, it has helped me gain the soft skills necessary to function in today's world that is community-based, that helps you work well in a group. I see ALX helping me for a long time because of the community it has introduced me to. I think that is something most people undervalue, but the network you build here is something you cannot get anywhere else. Practically, most of the important people in tech have in some way been to ALX or know about ALX. So I think getting to know them will help me for a long time to come. I chose ALX because it was project-based and I prefer project-based learning. I went to school for computer science, but what I found there was it was mostly lecturers giving you lectures, and then you go home and you read about it and you perform on exams. But in the case of ALX, the whole program is based on projects. So there are projects and there's an automatic checker. So if your project passes, you're gonna move on. But if your project fails, you're not gonna get through. So that is most similar to the job market that's present currently. So I think that was why I chose ALX. ALX is like the bridge. For students, it's like the bridge between the job market and the traditional education. So I think for somebody who is in school and who's currently learning and thinks that the traditional method is not gonna cut it for the job world, I think that person should really join ALX, because with ALX you get ready-made skills, you get projects that can be really deployed into anywhere in the world, and you get to apply those skills anywhere you want. After graduating from ALX, I currently work as a backend developer. So the skills I gained in ALX were paramount to this, because what I work on today and what I gained from ALX are really quite similar. It was just a small transition period. My chosen program has really prepared me for the real world, because like the projects I did in the curriculum and the projects I got to do when I first entered the job market was really similar. So sometimes people in the job market, they expect people to come directly from traditional based learning. But when they encounter people from ALX, they see how these people are really focused on delivering clean code, working well with people, implementing a versioning system. And that's one of the things that impressed my employers most the very first time I joined the market. I think what makes ALX unique is its focus on soft skills. Any other place, you might get the technical education, you might get good education from the technical point of view, but ALX also focuses on the soft skills. That is something that is a pain point for people in the tech field. So you get to know how to communicate, you get to know how to lead, you get to know how to work effectively with people. So yeah, that was one of the things. The most important thing I will take away from ALX is the community. I think building such an amazing community in your specific field, in your specific niche, is something really difficult, but ALX has brought that to me, so I'm always grateful for that. And those people are the people who are the next leaders of the tech field here in Ethiopia and maybe in Africa, so that's what I take away from ALX. So the community has really helped me in terms of helping each other debug code. It might be like when you run into a blocker, or maybe when you run into different errors. That is a really supportive community. They could help you. Like from the very first day, people here were really supportive. People in the program are really open-minded. So that was one of the things that the community has helped me do. In terms of events, the events ALX is organizing every week, week in and week out, is like amazing. You get to meet the leaders in the tech field, people you normally you will never have access to. So that was like a character building moment for me, especially meeting those people who are at the top of the field. It really helps you. The friendships in ALX are really amazing. So you get to befriend people who are in your field, but more specifically who are really interested in the niche of the field. So there are people that are really interested in cloud. There are people who are really interested in backend. So you get to meet that niche. So most of the time when you find people in tech, you're gonna find people who are normally in the tech field, but not specifically in your niche. But here you get to meet people they're specifically inside your niche. So that's really amazing.